Hello everybody, welcome back to Greek and Simple. I'm Theodora, I'm your Greek friend, and here in Greek and Simple we're making Greek recipes, and not only also simple, also yummy, also delicious recipes that we like. So if you like recipes, if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and watch more videos. Like on my videos and leave your comment down below. I'll be so happy to reply to all of your comments. Our today's recipe is a cake that we really like. It's made with tahini. It's that sesame mousse that you might be already familiar or not. And it has no eggs, no butter, no milk. It's totally vegan. You're gonna love it. Love it. It's very simple, very quick, and you're gonna be amazed of how simple we're gonna make it. In just few minutes, we're gonna put everything together and goes to the oven straight away to bake. So let me explain exactly what we're gonna do. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add our orange juice into our bowl, sugar, honey, and orange zest from 2 oranges. Things like that happen. We're not a live show. Now tahini. Okay, so since everything is inside my bowl, I'm gonna use my electric blender. I'm kind of like this guy here. It's so easy to use, so easy to clean, so I'm using it very often. If you watch my videos, you already know. So I'm gonna add my flour, that it's a self-rising flour, but if you don't have a self-rising flour, use the all-purpose flour and add some baking powder. And we're gonna use a 9-inch round baking tray, and I'm using parchment paper and nothing else. Yummy, yummy, almost. Wow, I pushed the button up. Okay, I'm ready to bake this beauty for almost 1 hour, 50 to 60 minutes to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 if you are European. Guys, for today, thank you for watching my videos, thank you for subscribing, thank you for leaving your comments down below. I'm so happy to have you here, and can't wait to share more videos with you. So see you in the next videos.